Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate retirement savings with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To automate your retirement savings with Fidelity, begin by visiting the Fidelity website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the account tab located in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Retirement and IRAs. Click on Contributions to set up or modify your contributions. Next, locate the Automatic Contributions option on the page. Select the frequency of your contributions, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Enter the amount you wish to contribute with each scheduled payment. Ensure that your linked checking or savings account is set up for these transactions. Review your selections to confirm that the details are correct. If necessary, download and complete any required forms for automatic contributions. Once everything is in order, submit your request to activate automated savings. Fidelity will provide confirmation of your automatic contribution setup. Keep track of your contributions in your account for future adjustments or reviews. Make sure to periodically reassess your savings goals as you approach retirement. That's it. You have successfully automated your retirement savings with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.